In this part of our training, we'll talk about non-supercell tornadoes and other rotations. A non-supercell tornado is also referred to as a landspout. It has no organized large-scale rotation. There is no wall cloud associated with it, and there is no rotation shown on radar either. This particular example was taken near El Paso in May of 2014. Notice that there is no wall cloud that's associated with this particular circulation. Here's another example from the same area, looking a little more dramatic. It can be nearly transparent at times. Notice that you can see somewhat through it. They often form near a slow moving cold front or a stationary front with opposing wind flow. They can also form on the southwest edge of a cluster of multi-cell thunderstorms. In Illinois, these are most common from late April into June. Here's a video of that landspout that occurred near El Paso last year. Notice how it is very transparent. You can see the clouds behind it. It isn't moving very far, very fast. But it can cause damage if it were to hit something. Another type of rotation that you may see is called a gustnado. This is a short-lived rotation that's along a gust flow or an outflow. This particular radar image, all these blue lines that are coming out from the thunderstorms are what we call gust fronts or outflow boundaries. These are accompanied by cooler air and gusty winds, and these are most likely where a gustnado would form. The rotation does not reach up into the cloud. And once again, we also do not see a rotation on radar. So look for the rotation at the ground, not just dust being kicked up, but an actual rotation at the ground level. These can cause minor damage, mainly from the wind gusts. If you happen to see one of these, be sure to refer to it as a gustnado. Another thing that we tend to see across central Illinois is cold air funnels. They occur in vertically developed clouds, and usually they don't have any thunder with it. They are most common in late spring and early summer, and also again in autumn. Rarely do they touch the ground. Should they actually touch the ground, they could cause some minor damage. Almost always, they occur in the afternoon or early evening hours, and they can persist for quite some time.